Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can use your mobile camera and microphone to your PC. And if you are planning to make video and don't have camera and mic, this video is for you. Let's start our video. Also, small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you're liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind. So, let's start our video. Follow my step. If any doubt, comment me. I solve you problems soon as possible. So let's go. First thing you need to do, install two software. It's free, not paid. Then go your browser and search as Iriun Webcam as showing and click on the first link. Then, you will enter to its official website, download it. I'm already downloaded it, and select your version. The software is available for Windows 10, Linux, and Mac OS. Select yours, then follow me. Let's install it. Follow me. If any doubt, comment me.
Pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you.
We installed. Then we need to install one more software to connecting our phone's mic. So let's do it. The go to browser, type 𝙈𝙾 as showing, the click on the first link. You will enter to its official website, so follow me, download it. I'm already downloaded, so follow my step. Let's install 𝙈𝙾. You need to reboot your system first, then do it. Then, go to your phone devices, install the apps in your Play Store or App Store, and follow me.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love.
All links are available in the comment box. I pinned it, and also in the description, so you no need go to anywhere.
And I can't deny, my heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away?
We successfully installed webcam software, and let's install 𝙈𝙾 2.
I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.
We successfully installed 𝙈𝙾 software too, and let's connected it. And I am going to connecting the 𝙈𝙾 using USB cable, and the webcam is Wi-Fi, so let's do it. You can change 𝙈𝙾 connection in its setting.
Just gotta let me go. Time
We successfully connected our phone camera as webcam, and you can use in 𝙈𝙬 Studio.
Hey, what the hell? Why you hanging on the roof all by yourself? I have an open invitation, but you're telling me go get lost. I don't wanna see your face. Yeah, what the hell? So why don't we stay out till the morning light? 'Cause two wrongs can make a right.
Let's connect 𝙈𝙪 2 using USB cable. Follow me. Click on play icon in 𝙈𝙪 app. And follow my steps. You will see an error, so to fix it, we need to install its driver. Open browser, and go to the same website that we download 𝙈𝙪, and follow me in my steps. It will take some time after installing the driver. Then we can use 𝙈𝙪 to connect to your phone's mic, and you can use it in your OBS Studio as well, and reboot your system after installing the driver. Then try to connect to 𝙈𝙪, that's all. You can see it's successfully connected, and let's check in OBS Studio.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time.
That's all I want to say. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, do like the video. Then hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos you will get a notification.